This is Hannah in her suitcase. I'm coming!
I'm not kidding!
I'm coming!
I'm stuck! I can't breathe!
Where's your head? I'm here! It's really difficult! I don't know how to handle.
Camera?
He's up there videotaping still. You can just move you around.
I'm gonna carry me up the stairs.
No, I'm not that strong.
Oh, I can't open it.
Oh, it stinks in there. God. Okay, you gonna go down on anything else?
Don't know. That took a lot out of me. We should do something on that thing.
What then? Sorry.
Oh, can you move the thing over there so you can get that angle? Look at the thing.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I can get that angle. We have to be all intense about this. We gotta hurry up because my battery's gonna die soon.
What?
My battery's on one thing.
I can do this. Can you get me up there too?
Yeah.
It's okay. Fingers up there! Okay. Oh, my button! It's stuck! Okay, cut it. Or yeah. Bye.
Jeez.
That was good.